Dylan from Sydney Stone. Today we want to introduce you to a really interesting new product. Here we have the Mamo 350 XP, which is a fully automated single and double-sided laminator. The automation starts from this fully automated pile feeder to a touchscreen setup and bursting mechanism at the X of the machine. Let's learn a little bit more about what we have here.
Okay, so here we are yesterday when we ended the day. We ran our last sheet and we pressed stop. And when we pressed stop, the sheet automatically stopped in the correct position. We're going to use this as our setup sheet for today. So all I have to do now is lock my roller in place, press the automatic mode on the feeder, and press the green start button, and it will feed in. The first sheet is going to be wasted. That's the setup sheet. But after that, it will start to run along at its pace. The Mamo 350 XP runs up to 5 meters per minute. We're using it at 3 meters per minute here. Sheet sizes are from 13.75 up to 25 inches. And we can do both encapsulation with PET film, including OPP and nylon films. The OPP, and if you use the burstable nylon, they will separate. The PET films of 3mm, 5mm, and 10mm will turn off the separating mechanism, and they will be produced just like your normal films are done.
A couple of things we really want to show you is, first off, we're doing a single side laminate here, and the difficult thing when you're laminating just a single side, of course, is to make sure it's flat. If you look at all of these sheets, they're perfectly flat, and that's because we're using what's called the decurl mechanism to add a curl to the paper the opposite direction of where the film is. And that produces a nice flat sheet. So you can do a single side laminate on business cards, postcards, book covers, perfect bound book covers, and they'll be nice and flat without any curl on them. Okay, what we're showing you now is that on both rollers we have a specialized micro perforation system. And what that does, that creates a perforation on the laminating film prior to it going over the heated roller. That perforation creates the weakness, and that weakness is what we need when the bursting system is activated in order to separate the sheets of paper.
Okay, as you see, the metal bar that you're seeing is a decurl mechanism, and you see the sheet rides up and then over it. And that is what's creating the reverse curl on the sheet as it's getting heated with the film. And next you'll see the separation mechanism. So we have the perforation along the edge of the sheet, and then the two bursting rollers will drive that sheet to tear it at the perforation across the length. This works perfectly on an OPP film, either single or double side, as well as the burstable nylon films for creation of book covers, which is what a nylon film is most common for.
Okay, as you can see, the Mamo 350 XP is a really interesting device. What we do, we're starting off with a 12 by 18 sheet of paper, we press a couple of buttons, and we end up with a fully single side or double side laminated sheet that has no overhang on 4 sides. It's ready now to be taken to a guillotine or an automated slitting, cutting, creasing device. What is traditionally a very laborious project, laminating single and double side, is now easy as pushing a button. So if you're interested in learning more, call us today. Toll free is 1-800-668-6055, or email the number on your screen.